सोचिए आप एक दिन धरती की जगह मार्स पर अपनी आंखें खोले तो Welcome, Mr. Musk. Pleasure is all mine, Mr. Brainy. As we know, colonization on Mars is one of your lifetime goals. So, why we need to colonize on Mars? Human needs to colonize on any habitable planet in future due to overpopulation, and we think Mars is a suitable place for it. Overpopulation? Yeah. Over 2 centuries, population growth is hiking like crazy. Hence, the limited resources are fading faster and miscellaneous pollution rapidly engulfing our beautiful Earth. That's why we require alternative livable options. Like in current scenario, are we able to settle on Mars? Actually, there isn't a concrete answer for this question. Before settling on Mars, we have to deal with some different hurdles. That makes sense. आप कुछ problems and their possible remedies define करेंगे please? Yeah, absolutely. Like Mars has 62% lesser gravity than Earth, which makes nearly impossible to live on it. With this microgravity, Mars's atmosphere is 100 times thinner compared to Earth and also missing the ozone layer, which protects us from strong UV radiation. Also, the atmosphere consists of nearly 95% carbon dioxide, which makes it a non-breathable planet. इन difficulties को कैसे overcome किया जाए? Are we preparing for it? According to some research, we have to build 3D polycarbonated glass domes with ultra-thin layer of gold similar to a spacesuit visor to protect us from those monstrous radiation. Along with a pressure vessel around 100 kilopascal is needed inside the dome to cope up with the microgravity. Cool. Do humans need any specialized biological changes to live on Mars? We do. According to some gravity simulation lab tests, humans will lose muscle and bone minerals significantly in this microgravity. We have to exercise rigorously and take supplements on daily basis to maintain a good health as we are on Earth. As well as we have to incorporate genes like D-sub and TDR1 from tardigrades to humans through genetic engineering to fight with extreme radiation.
But the most extreme living things on Earth are tardigrades. Also known as water bears, these water-dwelling microanimals are polyextremophiles. This means they are capable of surviving multiple harsh conditions. They are nearly indestructible and have even survived the extreme conditions of outer space. Tardigrades have a unique adaptation that allows them to curl up into a dry, seemingly lifeless ball and slow down their metabolic rate. In this state, they can survive cold, dry environments like space for decades.
ये तो सुनने में बहुत आसान लग रहा है. हम ये सब कर क्यों नहीं रहे हैं? See, these are only in theory and isn't easy at all. If all happen in our favor, we still need oxygen and food to survive. Soil of Mars, aka regolith, is enriched with perchlorates and it's terrible for plant growth. We need soil washing and bioremediation techniques to make it suitable for plant growth. Do Mars has water in it? Yeah, it has. But Mars have minus 65 degrees centigrade surface temperature, which we can't fix. And so the water remains at poles in ice form. So how could it get fixed? Nature can do that for us. If the sun becomes a red giant, which will take nearly 5 billion years from now, it will engulf Mercury and Mars will become the 3rd planet of solar system as like Earth now. These remedies sound like some kind of apocalyptic movies plot. इन सारे problems का कोई इकट्ठा solution नहीं है क्या? Many agencies are working on a theory known as terraforming, which may solve out most of the problems. And one of its aspects is to recreate the almost dead magnetic field of Mars. They are trying to create a closed electrical circuit powerful enough to regenerate an artificial magnetic field using large dipoles. This will save Mars from strong solar wind and strong radiation. Helps to make a denser atmosphere and probably create an ozone layer, at least in theory. So many ifs and buts are there, but अर्थ के चैलेंजेस लाइक ओवर पॉपुलेशन, पोल्यूशन, क्लाइमेट रिस्क हमें पुश कर रहा है और मार्स हमें पुल। आई होप वन डे साइंस, इंजीनियरिंग एंड नेचर मिल के बनाएंगे एक सस्टेनेबल होम अवे फ्रॉम होम। Please like, share and subscribe and support us for making available these type of informative content under your thumb.